What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you how you can make $44.84 again and again with Clickbank. This is going to be a great strategy for beginners. I'm gonna share with you everything you need to know about this. So to find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos on a consistent basis about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more. And make sure you also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright guys, so as I said, I'm going to show you here how you can make $44.84 to be more specific with PDF files, but I'm going to share with you the exact strategy to do this right. Now first a disclaimer, results are not typical. If you skip out any part of this video, you might not get any results at all. So make sure you follow along and watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information. Make sure you also subscribe to my other YouTube channel, which is My IM Tips. It is related to internet marketing, make money online, work from home, and a lot more. You're going to find a link at the top and in the description below. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a real, long-term, sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video that I highly suggest you to have a closer look at when we finish this video, of course. But for now, let's dive into this strategy so I can share with you how you can make $44.84 again and again with Clickbank. Let's go! Alright guys, so first and foremost you obviously need a Clickbank account, so make sure you create one if you haven't one already. And when you log in, you're going to the marketplace. You can see here that they do have thousands of products here that you can promote. Now what we are interested in right now, which is a hot topic, is health and fitness. So I'm going to click on this here. So I'm going to share with you here on how you can find the offer to promote. And you can see here that you have different products that is super hot right now, okay? I mean, this is probably research is very popular right now, but I'm going to scroll down a little bit here. And because I want to share with you here, this looked like a good offer for me, custom keto diet. Now keto diet is definitely a hot topic right now, has been for a few years and is still very hot because you can lose weight fast. So this is what we are going to focus on here. And you can see here that it is a well organized offer because they do have an affiliate page. So if I open this up in a new tab, you can see here that they do have tons of information. We are interested in the article section here, so all you have to do is download it. And if I open it up here, and I just copy and paste it in a Google Doc, okay? So this is what it looks like. So it's a great article. In my opinion, if you can rewrite it a little bit to make it a bit unique. If not, you can leave it as it is, but I do recommend, of course, to rewrite it a little bit. It's not so hard, and I'm not going to go into details on how you can do that. So basically, let's go back here, okay? Let's go back to the offer here. We're going to grab the link by hitting the promote and generate a hop link. So we click on that link. The next thing, we need to go to a link shortener, and bit.ly is a free one, so shorten this one. And you are going to get a shortened link, so we can use it inside here, okay? So now what we are going to do is, of course, we're going to have a call to action at the end here. So the best way to lose weight with the keto diet is a custom keto diet. Okay, I think you get the point. Click here to find out how. Okay, so we are doing a call to action here, a curiosity, and we can do this bigger. Let's do it like this, bold. Let's make it a bigger, something like this, for example. And you can also put into arrows like this. And now what we need to do is grab our bit.ly link here, and of course we are going to hyperlink it. And you can see here we insert a link. Okay, so there you go, apply, and you are ready. Now what you can do is you can actually go through here, let's say for example that let's do a search. What do they have? Keto. Okay, the Keto program, for example. You can also do this here as well. Okay, so you can paste the link here. So every time someone clicks here, they are going to be redirected. I'm sorry, to the custom keto diet. All right, so to spice it up a little bit here, we want to make this more interesting. Okay, so we want to add a picture. And you can do that by simply go to Pixabay, and you can see here I typed keto, and look at this, I found a perfect image for this. So I'm going to use this image here, and you can just drag it in here. Okay, so you can see it looks much better like this. Okay, so you can tweak it a little bit, center, make it a little bit in the center here. And of course you can add more images as well. So this looks much better, all right? And of course make this one a little bit bigger. So I'm not going to go into details more here because it's going to take up too much of the time here. But now we are ready to actually save this as a PDF file. So you can actually download as a PDF document, okay? So we are now ready with this. So we can share this document, okay? So I'm just going to do that right now. So now we can share this document, and every time, let me just open it up here for you. You see here, so now if I click at the keto program, I'm going to be redirected to the custom keto diet here. And I'm going to earn $44.84 every time someone purchases this product. So that is how it works, okay? Let's go back here to the PDF. Again, once here, click here to find out how. There you see. So you're going to make money with this. Now you're probably saying, okay, it's cool that we have this PDF file, but where are we going to upload it, or where are we going to share it? Now here comes the cool part regarding the traffic. And there is a lot of PDF sites, okay? We have one, for example, we have slideshare.net, which is for SlideShares, but you can also upload PDF files. So I just typed weight loss here. It is misspelling actually, weight loss. Let's go again. So weight loss. You can see that people are already having slides, and there is articles as well, as I said here. So what you can do is you can do it totally free for yourself, okay? But I'm also going to share with you another strategy here on how you can save yourself time by uploading it on a lot of sites, because there is a lot of sites, okay? We have scribd.com, and I just typed earlier here free PDF sharing sites. And look at this list, for example. Okay, you can see here Calameo, Lulu.com, Mediafire. All these are free PDF sites. So you can actually take the time and upload this. But if you don't want to upload them for yourself, you can actually go to Fiverr.com and you can search for PDF share. And look at this. We have I will share PDF doc and PPT file or PPT file, PowerPoint file to 10 document sites. We have another one here, 15 sites, and we have another one here, 100 document sharing sites for $5. All right, so you can actually talk to this guy, purchase a gig, and have them to upload it on 100 sites. Okay, if you want to go a step beyond with this, what I would do actually also, because it is good that they are uploaded there, but you can also send traffic to these sites like Scribd or slideshare.net. So how do you do that? Well, really simple. You go to Facebook, you search for keto diet, you search for groups, you go in there, and you can just start to post something like this. I just found an interesting article about keto diet. What do you think? For example, okay? So people are going to be curious. What do you think? and you're going to leave the link here, but leave it to slide share so that doesn't look so spammy, okay? Because if you just grab the link and of course you're going to send it right there, people are going to say, okay, he just want to promote the offer there. So, but if you send them to this one, to the PDF site, okay, people are going to read it and they're going to check out this article, all right? They're going to read this article, they're going to find value in the content, and of course they are going to click on your link and you're going to make the commissions there. So there you have it, how you can make $44.84 again and again with Clickbank as a beginner. Focus on these 2-3 strategies I shared with you in this video here, because then you are going to get faster results. If you're interested in making a full-time passive income online with affiliate marketing and a lot more, build a real long-term sustainable online business, make sure you check out my #1 recommendation right here below this video. If you get some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you're going to find another Make Money Online video recommendation also. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.